Explore with Skyline. Bonjour, and welcome to this exciting countdown of the best activities to do in Nice. Whether you're here for a short stay or a long vacation, Nice offers a variety of thrilling activities that will make your trip unforgettable. Before we get to our countdown, let's explore the best activities for certain categories of travelers. Our first set of travelers are families. The best activities for family trips in Nice are: first, relax at the Nice beaches. The beach is perfect for families. Kids can play in the sand, and you can all enjoy the water together. There are also many beach clubs with family-friendly amenities. Second, visit the Old Town Vieux Nice. Exploring the narrow streets and bustling markets in Old Town is a fun, interactive, and beautiful experience for families. It's safe and lively, and there is something for everyone, from local treats to souvenirs. Third, take a boat tour of the French Riviera. Boat tours are a great family activity. Kids will love the adventure of being on the water, and everyone can enjoy the breathtaking views of the coastline. Fourth, visit the Promenade du Papillon and Nice Gardens. A large open park with plenty of space for kids to run around, fountains to play in, and picnic areas. Perfect for a relaxing family afternoon. Fifth, explore the Côte d'Azur markets. The markets, especially Cru Soleil, are vibrant and full of fun sights. Kids can marvel at the colorful flowers and fresh produce, and it's a good place to grab some snacks or souvenirs. Now, for the second categories of travelers, the solo globetrotters. These are the best activities for you. First up, explore the Promenade des Anglais. For solo travelers, the promenade is a great place to walk, people watch, or just enjoy the views of the Mediterranean. It's safe and easy to navigate, making it perfect for independent exploration. And when you're done, take a hike up to the castle hill, Colline de Château. As a second activity, solo travelers will enjoy the peaceful hike up to the top of Castle Hill, with the reward of stunning panoramic views of the city and coastline at the summit. Third, pay a visit to the Marc Chagall National Museum. Solo travelers who appreciate art will love the Marc Chagall National Museum, as it offers a calm environment to explore Chagall's vibrant works and reflect. Fourth, explore the Matisse Museum. A serene spot for those who enjoy spending time alone, surrounded by art. The Matisse Museum offers both quiet introspection and beautiful views of the surrounding gardens. The third category is the best activities for couples. First, take a day trip to Is du Village. A romantic escape, Is is a charming medieval village with cobblestone streets, breathtaking views, and plenty of cozy cafes. It's the ideal destination for couples looking to explore together. Second, visit the Promenade des Anglais. Walking along the promenade at sunset or sunrise is incredibly romantic. With the sea breeze, the sound of the waves, and the view of the Mediterranean, it's a perfect spot for couples to enjoy each other's company. Third, take a hike up to the Castle Hill, Colline de Château. While it's great for solo travelers, it's also a perfect activity for couples. The romantic panoramic views are even better when shared with someone special. Fourth, you both can relax at the Nice beaches. Spending a day lounging on the beach is a wonderful laid-back experience for couples. You can share a quiet moment by the water, soak up the sun, and enjoy a refreshing swim together. Finally, visit the Matisse Museum. For art-loving couples, the Matisse Museum offers a peaceful atmosphere with beautiful artwork and scenic gardens. It's a relaxing and romantic activity to enjoy side by side. Have you found an activity for you? Don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course subscribe. Now back to our countdown. Here are 10 tourist best activities for everyone. Let's dive right into it and start with number 10. At number 10, we've got the iconic Promenade d'Anglais. This stunning 7-kilometer stretch along the Mediterranean is perfect for a leisurely walk, bike ride, or simply relaxing while taking in the breathtaking sea views. Whether you're watching the waves or people watching, this is a must-see for anyone visiting Nice. Coming in at number 9 is the charming old town of Nice. This historic district is a maze of narrow streets, vibrant markets, and colorful buildings. Don't miss the Cours Salé market, where you can enjoy fresh flowers, local produce, and even homemade French pastries. Number 8 on our list is a short trip outside of Nice, the picturesque village of Ise. Perched high above the sea, this medieval village offers stunning panoramic views and winding cobblestone streets. Be sure to visit the famous Fragonard perfume factory while you are there. At number 7, we have the beautiful beaches of Nice. The Mediterranean waters are inviting year-round, and whether you prefer to relax on a private beach or spread out on the public shore, there's plenty of space to unwind and enjoy the sunshine. Number 6 is a perfect activity for outdoor enthusiasts. Hiking up the Castle Hill or Colline de Château. The hike may be steep, but the view from the top is worth every step. You'll get a sweeping vista of the city, the coastline, and the surrounding hills. At number 5, art lovers won't want to miss the Marc Chagall National Museum. Home to the largest public collection of Chagall's works, this museum showcases vibrant paintings, stained glass, and sculptures. A perfect stop to dive into the world of one of the 20th century's greatest artists. Coming in at number 4 is the Matisse Museum. Located in a beautiful villa surrounded by gardens, this museum displays one of the largest collections of Henri Matisse's work. From his early paintings to his later cutouts, this is a must-visit for any art enthusiast. Number 3 is all about getting out on the water. A boat tour of the French Riviera is the perfect way to see Nice from a whole new perspective. Sail along the stunning coastline and enjoy the views of luxurious villas, hidden coves, and the sparkling Mediterranean Sea. At number 2, we've got the colorful markets of the Côte d'Azur. From artisanal crafts to fresh local produce, the markets in Nice are vibrant and full of life. Be sure to check out the flower market at Cours Salé, where you'll find everything from fragrant blooms to local delicacies. And the number 1 top activity to do in Nice is paying a visit to the Promenade du Papillon and its beautiful gardens. This large green space offers a peaceful retreat in the heart of the city with fountains, playgrounds, and lush gardens. It's the perfect place to relax, people watch, or enjoy a leisurely picnic. Well, that's a wrap on our countdown of the most exciting things to do in Nice, France. Whether you're here for the art, the culture, or the stunning views, there's something for everyone. Whether you're alone, with family, or with your partner, there's a little something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travels. I've been taught